Get a call on the index. Sacchitanand Uttekar of Tradebulls joins in for a technical check. Hi, Sachi. Good morning. Good to see you in. On the Nifty, what do you do?
Good morning, Nigel. Good morning, Vinny. I think the trend is well intact. In fact, for the Nifty, the floor is now getting elevated towards 24,880. It has been confidently trending above its 5-day exponential moving average. Yes, we are still concealed within yesterday's price action, but the way the RSI is behaving, the way ADX is positioning for a breakout, I wouldn't be surprised if we see this particular rally getting unfolded towards 25,200 to 20 kind of a zone, in the coming week itself. So the bias for the Nifty remains positive. One should continue to build long positions here. From a trading perspective, one can keep a stop loss at 24,880 on closing basis and review their positions once the Nifty starts trending about 25,040 mark. When we look at Nifty Bank as well, I think there is a good convergence of its short-term averages at 54,340. So one can keep a stop loss there and expect a rally towards 54,760 soon. Even here, the data is indicating that the floor is well set here. And on the higher side, we may see an extended rally towards 55,160 in the coming week.
Okay. Hi, Sacchitanand. Good morning. I just want to take a check in terms of, Sagility as well as Adani Power. They both are buzzing in trade today, but with good volumes as well. If you could check the charts of that for us.
Good morning, Vinny. Vinny, the entire group stocks are looking exciting. In fact, Adani Power has completed a breakout from a very prolonged rounding bottom formation. The neckline for the same was placed somewhere close to around 630 mark. And if you look at the way this particular level has been reached, the confidence is very much evident. And I wouldn't be surprised that we see this particular move unfolding towards 740, 760 zone. So I think one should continue holding long positions here. We have already seen some wild swings in the counter. So it's better to keep a stop loss on a closing basis below that 630 mark. On a closing basis, one can accumulate this particular counter and review positions once it starts trending around 730, 740 mark.
Okay, all right, Sachi, I wanted to ask you about CPCL, that's Chennai Petro. The stock post their Q1 numbers saw a sharp correction. And the problem was the street was actually bracing for decent numbers. But Q2 could fundamentally be good because the GRMs have gone up, that are unlikely to be a big shutdown. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. But what's the view technically on this stock?
Nigel, the price action is evolving well. In fact, we have already seen a very good sustained uptrend since the beginning of this particular year, and we have seen that the stock has also managed to sustain above its 200 weekly exponential moving average support, which is currently placed at around 675. So I think the trend has been very strong, very significant. In fact, on the higher side, we've already seen an uptick today. There are bouts of momentum, and we expect that this particular momentum may continue or may push the prices higher towards 845, 860 kind of a zone. So even from a trading perspective, one can create some fresh long positions, keeping a stop loss at around 726 on closing basis.
And also, what are your top picks other than the ones you just spoke about in terms of stocks that you're looking out for? Which are the top picks in today's trading session?
Really, Adani Enterprises, in fact, I think, there is a significant price development here. We've already seen the stock, trending near its 50-day exponential moving average, which is placed at around 2380. And the way the data is positioned, I think there could be a breakout soon above that 2400 mark as well. So we are expecting that this particular rally may extend towards 2540 on the higher side. And hence, we are recommending building fresh long positions in Adani Enterprises. One can keep a stop loss at 2355. Our disclosure would be that we have recommended this to our clients as well. And the second stock on our radar is Concor. Even here, if you look at the development, it looks like a classic inverse head and shoulder formation. Before this, the stock was in a very severe downtrend. The RSI started, showing signs of improvement. And today we have seen a confident breakout above the inverse head and shoulder neckline, which is placed somewhere close to around 545 kind of a zone. So I think keeping a stop loss at around 547, even here, some aggressive long positions can be built. We are expecting a price target according to the pattern which is placed somewhere close to around 596 to be achieved in a few weeks. So these are the two counters that we have also recommended to our clients.
Got it. Thanks a lot for that, Sachi. Wishing you a good trading session ahead. Let's turn our attention to our special segment.